To change background of photo in a iPhone, you need to first open the photo on your Photos app, and as you can see, this is a person. You need to tap on that person. As you can see, this will pop up. If this doesn't pop up at the first time, you need to tap it multiple times, so this animation will pop up. I will show you again. As you can see, after touching the image of the person, this animation will pop up. Now from here, you need to tap the share button and then swipe down and save image. Now as you can see, this image without the background has been saved, and this was the original image. Now this image without the background. Now we need this application. This application, you will get this application on your app store. This is completely free. After installing this application, open it, and now we need to place the background first. So let's select our background from our gallery. This is the background. So after that, we need to press the done button. As you can see, this is the background. Now we need the image of the person. We need to tap these three lines and then add image. So we need this image without the background. Don't tap this image. We need to tap this image, and from here press the done button. Now we can move this image to our desired location, and if we press the image, there will be a button called size. Tap it and we can increase the size of the image. So after increasing the size, we can after increasing the size, as you can see, now we can save the image from this arrow button. Tap this and save image. Save successful. So let's check on our photos. As you can see, this is the image. We have successfully created a photo of a person by changing the background. So yeah, that's how you change a background on your iPhone.